The Samsung Galaxy J8 has an S-AMOLED Infinity display for an immersive viewing experience. The polycarbonate body of the smartphone ensures a comfortable grip. You can choose from 3 color options: blue, black or gold. The Galaxy J8 has a 4GB RAM for seamless operation and a 64GB internal memory that can be expanded up to 256GB. The J8 has nano dual SIM slots that support 4G Volt capability. This smartphone features a large 18.5:9 6-inch Samsung's Super AMOLED Infinity display that provides an immersive screen with HD+ resolution for streaming high-quality videos. Unlock the phone instantly by using the Face Unlock or fingerprint sensor on the back. Enjoy clicking great pictures on this phone as it features a 16-megapixel plus 5-megapixel dual rear camera setup with f1.7 aperture for low-light photography, autofocus and 4x digital zoom. You also get a 16-megapixel front camera with LED flash for well-lit selfies in the dark. The phone runs on Android Oreo and is powered by the 1.8 GHz Snapdragon 450 octa-core processor. It is great for multitasking and gaming. The phone is powered by a 3500 mAh battery. The handset comes with a non-removable battery, a charger, earphones and a user manual. The phone is made available through various EMI options, net banking and debit or credit card payment.